Hey guys, welcome to A Better Mess. I'm going to walk you through our reading list template within our digital life planner. So here, this is really the best template for my bookworms. You can add books based on different categories. So whether that is self-improvement, finance, you can add those different topics under the topic section there. And then once you add a topic or a category, you can add books and assign them to those categories. So the example that we have here is Thinking Fast and Slow. Once you add the book, you can add a status if it's reading, currently reading it, to read, etc. I love that you can also add book notes or highlights as well. And then once you add those different highlights, they'll show up below under the highlight section, and you can assign those highlights to the book and link them together. So yeah, this template is very useful if you have a whole bunch of books in your backlog that you need to read. I know we all do, probably a million screenshots. Stop taking screenshots and put them in your reading list within your digital life planner by A Better Mess. Okay, bye.